Want to display row levels side by side in a pivot table? I am here to help. I'm Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to display row levels side by side in an Excel pivot table. Now let's get started.
Right now I have my data grouped by year, month and department, and all of these groupings are stacked into a single column. While this layout technically works, it's not always the easiest to read or analyze. Sometimes the labels get compressed and you have to expand different levels just to see what's going on in the data. It can slow you down a bit, especially when you're trying to understand the information quickly. So what I want to do instead is transform this pivot table so that each grouping appears in its own column like this. This way, the year, month and department will all appear side by side, making the table much clearer and easier to work with. Alright, let's do it. First, click anywhere inside the pivot table. As soon as you do that, you'll notice two additional tabs appear in the top menu: Pivot Table, Analyze and Design. Go ahead and click on the Design tab. Next, look for the Report Layout option in the ribbon and click on it. When this menu opens, you'll see a few different layout options. Here, select Show in Tabular Form. As soon as you click it, notice what happens to the pivot table. Instead of all the row labels being grouped into a single column, they're now split across multiple columns. Each level of grouping, year, month, and department now has its own column, which makes the data much easier to read, filter, and analyze. And that's how you can show row labels side by side in an Excel pivot table.